Hi there, it's me again, and today we're going to explore another great tool, this time on Shopify, and the tool's name is Courses Plus by ArchitechPro. With this course, you can create your own course platform with various features available. So let's just not lose time and explore this tool. And this is our app, Courses Plus on Shopify. And the first thing that caught my attention is that it has a rating of 4.8 out of 5, which is just insane and amazing. So almost 100 people left comments and they are just very content with this tool. So let's first of all see what we can do with this tool. So let's view the demo. And here you can see all these various courses that are just created by this Courses Plus tool. So let's just explore the courses here. If you click here, so everything, the description, the price, so you can just go and buy it. And here if we go a little bit down, here you can see more specifically what we can do with this tool. So you can create and sell your own online courses. You can provide tests and exams with quizzes, monitor customers' progress and quiz scores, generate PDF certificates for your students who successfully completed your courses. You can offer bundles and subscription-based memberships. And here you can see the pricing policies and the plans that this tool offers. So they have forever free plan. So you can create here up to 5 lessons per store, and the other paid versions which offer more advanced features. So for example, for this basic, you can create up to 20 lessons per store. You can have unlimited students, unlimited storage, you can track the progress, you can drip content, certificates, and you can do also your courses app branding. So it's actually very good and very reasonable based on the features that it offers. So let's now go and test this. Now I'm on my Shopify dashboard and I've already set up the Courses Plus app, and all we have to do is start and create our course right now. So for that, you will just need to click on this create course button, and here you will need to write a title. So mine is Intro to Filmmaking, and also write a bit of a description. I will write something like this and just click on next. So one of the most important parts is right here. You will need to set the pricing. So we've got 5 options overall. And the first one is one-time purchase. So your students or attendees will need to buy it just once and they will have access to your course. Of course, you can also determine the time that your students can have access to your course. We will go back to that. Then the private one, so you will need to manually invite your students and attendees. The open one, so these are considered the public courses so that everyone has access to this. And the free one, they will actually need to buy the free product, so they will need to sign up, log in. And the subscription, so this is for recurring courses. So for example, if you do this course for every month, then you can use this payment method. So for this one, I will stick to this one-time purchase, and I will set a price for my course, and I will say, let's say, this is enough, and just create our course. And that's it for this setting up process. Once our course is successfully created, we will need to add sections or lessons here. So let's create our first section. I will name it section 1. And here you can see that you can add 3 types of content. You can add lessons, live lessons, and quizzes. So let's start with adding just a simple lesson. And here is our dashboard where we add the content. And here we can upload actually many types of content, starting from videos, audios, PDF, even typeform, and also images as well. So I will just upload this filmmaking techniques image here, save, and let's say we have a course description here. So I will just write filmmaking techniques lesson number 1. and etc. etc. and we'll also need to name our course, which will be filmmaking techniques. Afterwards, we'll just need to save this, and our first lesson is created. And let's now add some questions and quizzes so that we can test our students. And we are adding a quiz here, and let's first of all name it. So I will say filmmaking techniques wrap up. I think that's a good heading. Afterwards, we will need to already insert our questions here. So I will ask, what is CBT? Let's say it's some kind of term of filmmaking. And here also the options, it's a camera type, it's a lighting helper, and our right answer here is something you put on a light to change the color temperature. So here you can also further explain. So here you can see both cases. If there is a correct answer and you want to add a comment to it, for example, just great, you did so well. And here in this incorrect part, when you want to further explain the term so that your students do not repeat that mistake again. So here you can add the questions from here, and you can change the status. If you just want to deactivate it, just go with the draft. And let's just save it. And here you can see the leading icons of your classes, lessons, and the quizzes here. So let's now go and explore some of the core settings that you will definitely need to see. After creating your sections, lessons, and quizzes, now let's cover some important stuff concerning the technical aspect of course creation. And let's start from the strip content from course settings. So if you want your sections to appear one after each other and not fully your whole course immediately, then you can take advantage of the strip content feature here. So you can group the content based on quiz completion. So if someone successfully completes a quiz, then the next section will appear, or after section completion. So if your student just complete one section, then the second section will appear. Date and time. So here you can release your sections by specific date or X days after the enrollment, for example. And you can also manually add however you want your sections to appear and to be available for your students. So I will choose this section completion, and I believe it's most common. And here, this limited course access. So if you want your course only to be available for 3 months after the completion, let's say, here you can add, for example, 90 days, let's say, and after 90 days, this will automatically unenroll the enrolled students. We've got some other settings here. So by default, your students will not be able to download any link or any file from your course, which is very reasonable. But if you want to let your students do so, you can add a download link here of your folders, of your materials, and also the button text here. For example, get the materials from here, etc. Here you can also set the expected completion day. Here, if you want to display it, let's say it will take, for example, overall only 40 hours for the whole course. And you can save this. You can also have prerequisite courses here, and you can just make this course free. Course completion page. Here you can you again customize the stuff here. You can change the title however you want to congratulate your students. You are free to do here. You can also do upselling, and here you can recommend other courses that you offer. For example, let's say intro to graphic design, and after completing it will appear and it will drive more sales here. And also here you can enable the certificate sharing, and then we will create the certificates as well. Here you can manually invite attendance, and also be aware that only the invited attendees will be displayed here. And the tags. So when buying, your customers will get tags, and you can also do this tag-based access, and you can give your customers just some random tags, and whoever you want, for example, to give a free course, you can do so right here. And the notifications, you can also enable these features of sending an email notification about a course completion, again, to congratulate them, and again, do some upselling here as well. So let's now go and see what we can do about the certificates. When you go to certificates, here are a couple of customizations that you can make, and that's it. So first of all, here you will need to enable this certificates feature for your course. Otherwise, it will be non-certificate course. Here you will need also to check this send certificate email when course is completed. Here, if you want to be a bit stricter, you can check this one as well. So it says enable to send certificates only when all course quizzes are passed. Here you can add an image as well. So I will just add this, you did it, to encourage them. And here you will need to write who is this certificate issued by. So let's say it is the filmmaking company. And also here you can the print verification QR codes, and you will just need to save this. You can also choose the when which date should be displayed on the certificate, student's name, and here you can see finally the email template, and you can of course make your customizations here as well. And that's it from here. Your certificate will be automatically sent if you enable it. And now let's also check how our students will see our courses. So this is my introduction to filmmaking. Here you can see the description that I've written, and let's just click on it. Here you can see the sections that I've created, my progress here at the top. And let's say I've already passed all those sections, and here you can see that it says congratulations, you have successfully completed this course. And I will just download my certificate from here. I will write my full name, and I will generate my certificate, and it is right here. So I'm gonna show it to you, and that's it from here. That's it about Courses Plus for today, and if you've still got any questions concerning this tool, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to not miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And happy course creation! See you next time, bye!